What's going on, folks? Right here in Katy, Texas, right outside here in Sunterra, the neighborhood. This property is a Highland Homes property, specifically the Everleigh Floor Plan. This one is going to have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's going to be on a little bit over 2,300 square feet. And this one's going to feature stainless steel appliances, high ceilings. You got quartz countertops. You're just going to have the whole 9. So if you like this floor plan and you want more information or some existing inventory that is not available online, you could reach out to me at marcusrankinrealtor@gmail.com or text 713-474-0059. Enjoy the tour. So the first thing that you're going to notice whenever you're looking at the exterior of the property is that you're going to have immaculate landscaping. You're also going to have a covered porch, which adds a great aesthetic to the property itself. As you're entering the property, once you enter the property, you're going to notice the spacious feel right in the living room. You're going to have right to the left, you're going to have the stairway going upstairs, but you're going to actually have 2 bedrooms, including the primary bedroom downstairs, which is great, plus a half bath right there close to the living room itself. What you're also going to notice is that you're going to have in the kitchen quartz countertops, which is great because if you know anything about quartz, it's a lot more durable and it has a better heat resistance compared to other countertops. So it's a great property. Sunterra is right here in Katy, over 1,000 acres of master plan community, and it's only getting better. They're also going to be adding a lagoon pretty soon, which is going to be great for families and just having fun in the sun. So I hope you like what you see and enjoy the rest of the tour.